On the previous episode, we toured the city of Amsterdam. Today, we're going on an epic food tour with my brethren Post
London
for a timeless journey of food.
Way above the clouds, that's my plane. Working, that's my name. Selective, everything I do selective. Everywhere I go selective, I get the info, yeah, detective. If I chill with you and I build a Jew like don't know, yeah, selective. If I eat with you and I sit with you like don't know, yeah, selective.
Poor Savory, I come out of one place and in our next thing.
Yo, hear me now? That's what I got.
Jamaican number 3.
Texas.
Jamaican number. I thought I was Profit.
Mate, we're in the heart of the East End, mate.
Where we there?
Right now we're in the heart of the East End, mate. London, mate.
London.
East London. We're in Bethnal Green. What?
Are we in Bethnal Green?
Yeah, we are.
Man's about to get in them top boy accent, fam.
Oh wait, where are we
No,
going?
that's happening.
That's happening?
The road.
Alright, never mind. Alright.
Oh my god, they're my mates. Why didn't you tell me? They love me there.
Place smells good.
Peliches, family owned and operated for over a century, serving authentic English breakfast.
This is the best. This is actually the best.
It is the best.
Yeah, it is.
They're from Jamaica, they're on a food tour, so we're going to give them organic full English breakfast.
Pull up some nice stuff for a young lady, Harry. Young lady! What are you doing?
I know, honestly, I don't know.
They make you look even better, young lady.
I know.
These ugly boys around you. Tell Irene you're from Jamaica, you know? She's looking for a nice man with us in Jamaica.
Tell her I want a visa. Tell her me want a visa. I want a English visa.
Boys, I've got breakfast stuff. We've got all and girls, obviously. Just breakfast, I don't need breakfast, no problem.
I don't want breakfast, but I'll have the jam tart with mustard.
Because just so that you know, for next time, look at that, we make all homemade, like chicken and breast buns with pasta, pelici, all homemade, very good. Italian food. Breakfast and Italian.
When I get my dessert, you have to try it. Their jam roly-poly is the best.
The jam what?
Roly-poly.
Roly-poly?
Yeah. And they've got like this Nutella. It's like, think of like a roly-poly, but it's Nutella. There's a blonde lady in there and him, their brother and sister, and their mum makes makes it all French.
So they're Italian?
Yeah.
But they serve the best English breakfast?
Yeah, because they're born and bred here, but they're like, they're known as Italian, but they're like East London.
So they're East London, but the food they serve is British?
But because they're known as Italian, she does some like fresh pesto and some Italian dishes.
Alright, man.
It's like English Italian, but the best for an English breakfast.
What's the name of the place?
Felices.
Which is Italian.
Felices.
Yes.
Felices.
Right now we're just here with the food boss.
We're here with the London boss and that's a going around our boss.
Yeah, I've got
You understand?
Yeah, man.
It's a whole heap of Jamaican madman.
No, so it's basically blood.
It's a blood sausage.
And it's cooked.
It's like a blood sausage.
It's like blood sausage, you can what it is.
It's a blood sausage.
Only thing we get in Jamaica that is here is tomato, egg.
No, but when I eat roasted tomatoes,
You want this?
me too.
You can just chill on the next.
All of this is for me?
I thought we were sharing. She wanted you to try
No,
a
we
little
have
bit
to
of
about
everything. So you eat what you can. She can try a little bit of everything.
Alright, cool. So here what? So basically this is a full English breakfast.
Okay.
Right there you have baked beans, you understand? Baked beans,
Yeah?
hash browns,
Right.
which is like a potato situation.
Bubbling sweet.
Yeah, this I'll give you a little extra. That's our homemade pesto. That's Italian style.
the
There
pesto
are
is the
hand-cut
best.
chips, and that's our bubble and squeak, which is like mashed potatoes, a little bit of cabbage, a little bit of seasoning, salt, pepper, butter. It's really good. Just so that you know, it's nice.
Everything like that.
Thank you.
This is blood pudding.
That's a blood pudding, but it's like a blood
That's
sausage.
like a blood sausage, Scottish.
Pesto.
This is bacon. Yeah, that's bacon. That's fried toast.
Fried toast.
Yeah,
Fried, not
like deep fried toast. That's egg. obviously. That's a sausage. Why for that? That's a mushroom. Why for that? There's a mushroom, tomatoes. Dig in, boys.
What are
you doing?
Thank you, love.
the mushrooms again.
No, see your mushrooms.
Some chips. Yes.
Okay. Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, my belly long, you know.
Please. Do not.
I have a question for you.
So where's post?
Texas, what you
No, I don't eat till 4.
I'm gonna eat jam roly poly.
I'm trying to be
Thank you, love.
Texas.
Where's yours?
No, I ordered dessert.
Oh, that's the Nutella type thing that you were talking
No,
about.
the jam roly poly.
You said it was like Nutella.
No, they have that as well. But
Oh, you got the jam.
Plain, my guy.
Hey, Pose, me and you will fly, okay?
Guys, this wouldn't usually go with a breakfast, but because it's so good and homemade, you should try it.
Pesto.
Can you let them try their full English first? Just
Oh, dip a chip in it. No, dip a
No.
chip.
Alright, let's dip it. Let's dip it. I want dip it.
While the chips
I love
fresh.
pesto.
I am mean, General.
Dip a chip
You're
in the
respecting a
pesto.
post.
Texas.
Oh, yeah.
Texas!
Do that there, yeah. You got to try that.
Yo, that pesto is amazing. That's like the best pesto I've ever had in my life.
It is.
A pesto is ridiculous.
I say I don't take
More
you no
pesto.
No, good pesto. Not nice for the toast. Pesto nice for anything. But if you like bruschetta,
Pesto
that's
and
like a pesto bruschetta right there.
I love bruschetta, but let's see.
Try
Pesto and
it.
toast.
You won't believe this. Not only have I got another birthday, the girl's name's Caitlin as well.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Caitlin. Happy birthday to you. In a one.
Bruschetta on a toast.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, thumbs up.
Thumbs
Thumbs up.
Nah, Sarah wrong, but the name Jeffrey.
No, you didn't get it. Jam roly poly.
Hold on. Oh, damn. 7 minutes.
It's good. It's good, isn't it?
Need to be there at 2 for
That is good shit. The Nutella. It's like this, but instead of jam, it's Nutella. But this, every time. I'll have a breakfast and then finish it with that.
Never have him.
Never been.
Alright.
Thank you, Viv.
Thank you so much. It was excellent. It was excellent.
You enjoyed it. Thank you for
I
coming
thoroughly
to our
enjoyed it.
place. I
Thank you so
appreciate
much for having me.
Grazie, signorino.
It was
Thank
awesome.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you
too.
guys. God bless.
Alright, no cap. That was one of the baddest breakfasts I've ever had. And it was simply amazing. The vibe, the energy, the people, the ambience. It was really quite something to experience. I would definitely recommend that to anybody. That was the food, the taste, everything was just exceptional. Yo, big up to Post, big up to Texas. That was amazing, and that's just the first stop. Next up on Post Food Tour is Borough Market, one of the most famous markets in the UK, not just London.
Right now you're on the Post Food Tour. You know what I say? Right now we have Texas. You understand? Texas, say Wha Gwann to the people then.
Wha Gwann people them.
You understand? So right now we're in Borough Market, mate. You know what I mean? Borough Market. World iconic. Ain't it right, Bernard?
Yeah. Well, not Yo, Biggs, tell him the Biggs. Tell him the Biggs. The Biggs come there, no, so Biggs not telling the right story.
So empty. Me link the man them, me have not eaten anything. The man might eat breakfast in front of me like I can't have mouth.
So
you understand?
The man have to eat some food right now.
Right now, I'm just a little bit tipsy. Me want to drive a plane. Me want to drive a boat. You understand? Why you look like that? Why you look so angry with me?
Nice, I know you're talking about angry now.
Hey, I'm lit, you know. I'm not gonna lie. 2 drinks, I'm lit. But right now we're gonna go through Borough Market.
Pause,
Hey, is that Borough Market there?
Drinking on an empty stomach here.
Yeah, pause. I want to know if we're going
Now let's go for a walk and then get a drink.
What about food?
Yeah, let's go for a walk.
Pause, you need to eat some food.
So come on, big. So hold on. You have to give me the UK language breakdown now. So how much talking at this place? You know? I have to say, yo, blood, what's good, fam?
What's good, brother?
That's what I have to say. You have to give me what's good, brother.
What's good, brother?
Not what's good, fam.
We don't say fam here. We do say fam,
but not in the real.
Wait, I thought you wanted to go pop.
Yeah, pop.
Give me a pop.
Alright, I have to pause this for this. Now I smell jerk pork, or jerk chicken, or jerk something.
Take a picture. Video for a second.
Father and son.
So the father,
Say cheese. This is a video. Number 5.
Let's do it, man. Outdoors.
You lot. What we having now?
It's called pork crackling. It's traditional to come to a pub and have some pork crackling.
So that will sober you
With
up.
your bite. Yeah, it will, basically.
I don't want sober up though. I'm going to try it. I've had it. But I'm definitely have to try it here. The original place.
When I learned it?
Yeah, man, I'm crackling that.
When I not take no picture with
Salty, crispy.
What is it? Take no picture with message?
Everybody eating is just a food fest in here. Look at this, smell that. Yo, it's like a stadium of food.
This is the pork sandwich that she's talking about.
Right here.
Yeah,
that's what I'm saying. It's a stadium of food. It's a food stadium. This is the famous Borough Market.
Probably the most famous.
Hold on. That's the what?
That's Black Pig. Bit of a racist name.
You have a stadium of people just sitting there.
Here and you look up, you're like, oh my gosh, you got an audience.
Yeah, you do have an audience. It's like we came here to do a football match, and this is like going to the football match.
Oh my gosh.
This place is crazy. The vibe is amazing. The food is just unlimited. Different types of things. Applebee's, fish, the black pig, there's ice cream, there's Mexican street food, there's barbecue and bento. There's everything that you can want. There's Thai right there, pad Thai. There's just a whole bunch of food that you can get all around the place. Everybody's just walking. There's a stadium of people that literally just went to one spot and is sitting down, eating the food that they got from that spot. It's just a food lover's paradise, but it's still cool. Like that as well. The UK it's pies.
Pies, yeah.
So in Jamaica we have patties.
Yes, and then here we have pies, all different types of pies. And this is one of the best places to get all your pies. Sausage rolls, pork pies, Stilton pies.
So it have the meat inside and stuff like that.
Yeah.
It's like a pot pie.
Yeah. And
nothing like a pot pie.
Cannabis in it for a start.
Oh, well, no, I don't want any cannabis in it. Thank you for that. Thank you for that. I don't want any cannabis.
It's not made in a pot and it's not served in a pot.
Okay.
So why do you call chicken pot pies when they've got no pot in and they're not served in it or baked in it?
Please enlighten me. I love that.
I'm asking the question.
Well, what we have in Jamaica, what he compared it to was a patty in Jamaica, and then what we have in Jamaica is similar to the patty. We have a pot pie which is served. Apart from that, we don't have.
But is it made in a pot or served in a pot?
It's made in the pot. It's baked in the pot. It looks very similar when it's taken out the crust.
These pies should be cold.
Okay, so they're cold pies.
Yeah. So nothing like a chicken pot pie.
What type of filling is in there?
Well, you got pork, the steak. Okay, a pasty. Okay, can you explain the difference between a pie and a pasty?
Well, pasty you can eat hot or cold when you hold it by your hands. And then a pork pie is pork.
So pasties were made for people to have
on the go.
At work, like when.
Literally, they come from Cornwall. They're Cornish pasties.
Cornish pasties.
And
so the wives used to make them.
Down in the tin vine, so they designed that shape because you didn't eat the dirt on your hands. You held it by the crown, because otherwise you die.
Yes.
Because there's arsenic in tin oxide.
Right.
So that's why they make pasties.
Wow.
Which is why it's
in the mind.
It's poor man's food, but delicious.
Poor man's food is most delicious sometimes.
When the tin ran out, the Cornish miners, some went to the States, some went to South America, took the food with them. South Americans copied them and called them empanadas.
Steak, beef, ribeye. What else? Just the ribeye. You can have fish. That's the steak. You can have. Listen. You can have pork, fish, beef. So why did you say ribeye? Because ribeye is beef.
This is pork rib. This is the Savory. This is the Savory cabbage. This is the soup.
Okay, cool. Perfect. Sorry. I misunderstood you. No, that's fine. All we're having is roast.
Put there, check the yellow one.
Is that all with the roast? Okay. But this is roast, right? All this. So which one's the roast? We just want roast. Like a British roast.
Traditional Sunday roast.
So we just get the beef one, yeah?
Yes. We don't do chicken. We don't do any.
Cool. So we want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You guys all eat beef, right? Yeah. You don't like beef?
No, I love beef.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 beef. And I know you always want something on your own. 7 beef. 7 beef roast, please.
Well, Texas. She's from Texas. She must eat beef.
7 beef roast, please.
Medium, please.
sir?
Medium.
Sir.
Why are you so pretty?
Yes, sir.
Medium?
How do you want it? Yes, sir. Yeah.
Should we get some salad?
Medium well.
Yeah.
So how do you want those cooked?
No, but you need to go.
How do you want it cooked?
Huh?
How do you want the
First drink in this restaurant. That's how you buy a lawyer.
Medium rare. I grab my medium.
Medium. Okay.
Medium as well, please.
Medium.
Have you seen Power?
Yeah, can we get married?
What is you said loyal?
Any allergies?
So just FYI.
Has anyone got any allergies then?
Unless Texas
In the
does.
club with our attorney.
Texas, you have allergies?
I'm not gonna take.
You have allergies?
Allergies, no.
Yeah. No allergies.
Did everyone order medium?
But I'll probably will tell you to come to where. I'm gonna tell you to come to where I'm at.
Like how you order.
Why not get a pudding?
Why you don't have this?
You're the lucky one.
No Yorkshire pudding.
What?
Sir.
Why you don't have this?
Sir.
I don't know.
You're supposed to have that.
Yeah.
I was wondering why. I thought you ordered something special. Here you go.
You look like a puncture.
Say what is it?
Why they driving you to somewhere else?
Puff pastry?
Yorkshire pudding.
Oh, this is the Yorkshire pudding.
Yes, a Yorkshire
Oh,
pudding.
fantastic.
Where do they normally go to?
The dish in front of you, what is that?
That's a Yorkshire pudding.
You stab like you have a bad problem with man. Like I'm afraid of you.
That's similar to pancake batter. There's a slight difference. I can't tell you because I don't cook, so I don't know. But instead of being flat, it rises.
So it's like a puff pastry?
Yeah, pretty much. Obviously, a roast potato.
Yeah.
Carrots.
You're very aggressive.
roasted.
You're very aggressive with it.
Aggressive person. And then this is medium. It's actually like illegal to ask for well done.
Yeah, you'll get the worst cut if you ask for it.
Yeah. So you have to say rare or medium. Even if you don't want that, you just gotta ask for it.
That's horseradish on the white little sauce there.
That's horseradish, yeah?
Yeah,
So
yeah,
what do you use the horseradish with?
Use it with the whole roast,
Everything,
really. It's
the
like,
entire- the
to give
entire
it a bit of spice in it, a bit of flavour. So if you want a bit of flavour with the food,
That kick.
that gives you that kick, basically. Yeah. It's really good.
Hey, Pose, I don't know if I said this before, but thank you for having me, okay?
It's on the phone, it's on the phone. You can't even hear us. It's in a different world.
If you add salt alone, it's not
You come across somebody, you could trade them salt for something.
No way.
Whatever it is that they have.
What is
Like a Jamaican roast beef.
It's the same thing you said.
You know what blew my mind? In Argentina, when they were having a barbecue and
Barbacoa.
so it's called an asado
Yeah. On the cross grill?
on the cross. Buy several other seasonings to go with it: garlic, Scotch bonnet, pimentos, blah 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 blah. In Argentina, a big rude boy in North London called Wellington. You understand? They have beef. Beer bodies are drunk. So the man them say combination will make us one. You understand? So from 96 onwards, beef and Wellington combined. Turning now beef Wellington. You're not pilots. You're Einstein. So the gangster them besides Unity, we got beef Wellington, and this is what we got.
This is what we got. Since 1966. Since 1866.
86. You must can edit it and just copy it.
Yeah, I try to copy the little one too.
Not the whole, like, you're good, we can send you.
8. So, alright, before the beef Wellington, this. Shepherd.
Oh, Yorkshire pudding. He loves it. Yo, boss, can we get one more Yorkshire pudding, please? Thank you. But you gotta hit up the hot gravy though. That's hot,
Yeah,
ready to
hot
go.
gravy, So tell me about, what is it?
It's flour, egg, and water, right?
It's flour, egg, and water. Simple. It's just, I mean, none that they don't say it's dough. So why does it
It's a
come out
rising
like,
dough. So they probably use like rising flour or puff pastry.
Yeah, but why does it come out like a mountain?
So you put it in like like in a tray with hot like fat or oil.
Lard.
Yeah, you just put it in there and it just
I'm fucking tired.
makes that shape.
It expands.
Sorry, deep.
Truffle. I had truffle mushrooms, so it better be super truffle.
So not only am I the treasure, I'm also the treasure and the king. Let's not get it fucking twisted.
You know what that tastes like?
What?
It tastes like you're getting too much money. No, but that's what it tastes like though.
Yes, it is.
Isn't it though?
It does taste like that.
It tastes like you're,
It does
there's
taste
like
like that, yeah.
too much fun being had.
Yeah, it tastes
No.
like that.
I can't eat that.
No.
Too rich?
I am the treasure.
It's rich.
No, it's too rich.
Let's not get it twisted.
It's too rich. That's King's disease, man.
King's disease, man. It's too rich.
The mash.
King's disease. Too rich. Oh yeah.
You can
No,
call me
not body
king.
Not body.
The mash.
What?
Mashed potatoes are sick.
You
dog.
try that?
Yeah, dog.
No, sir.
No. I think it's the best part of the dish.
Them need to send that come on, yeah, that body. No, sir. Yo, give me some of that. Oh, no, what?
Yeah, you describe it so well.
No, the mash is different.
It's a good mash.
No, the mashed potato.
Yo, put some gravy on it as well.
Just a taste.
No cap. Yeah, the mashed potato.
This one now, man. This
Throw
one
that
now,
shit.
man.
Rich. No, this one's okay. I'll try this. That was honest, isn't it? In the mashed potato? I got this. I'll try this. What is it?
No, this is too good.
Yeah, that's good.
I think I like friggin' the roast though. The roast have me.
That me like.
We all had roast.
Tell me what this name again? Wellington.
Beef
Beef
Wellington. Oh, you with it like that? I didn't even tasted it. Let me check.
Oh, yeah, man.
No, the beef Wellington is excellent.
It's really good.
Let me check it.
Matt and Sonny this right now. Me not so hungry and this tastes unreal. You don't think this tastes unreal? You don't think this is good?
This was amazing.
I'm not a roaster. I'm not a fan of roasting.
Just good. I thought it was really good.
I grew up
really
on
good.
roast dinners and this is one of the best I've ever had.
I would like this a little bit.
The thing with our roast,
More crispy on the
you see the thing with
breading.
our roast, we don't get these cuts of beef.
But this has been sitting here for
And that's where we get it from as well.
I mean, if this were
Caribbean
I thought
roast.
too
this
much
were to
hard
be my
tradition.
entire dish, I think it would have been
Perfect. I hear you. That's why I got it, so we could try it.
That's sunny this right now. This half a bit Gordon Ramsay one.
Just now, they're like big particles on my top. Bro, it's these. I know, but is it still Africans? We have like a lot of Caribbeans, right? Yeah. So there's like a debate between the Africans and Caribbeans.
What
like
is the best?
Jollof rice or rice and peas. But we enjoy both foods. You know what I'm saying?
You wouldn't eat rice and peas on its own, right? Without like a curry goat or a brown chicken.
No,
so
jollof.
The thing is,
Jollof
to me,
does.
there's no debate because jollof rice you could eat on its own, but you
It's
couldn't
different.
eat rice and peas on its own.
It's two different things.
But that's a conversation. That's a conversation to have whilst they try it.
Yeah, after the
Or you should present it as. Or you should present it as. Once you have this, you're gonna realize you can't eat.
No, alright. So,
You can eat rice without.
you can eat fries by itself, right?
Yeah.
As a snack, right?
Rice by itself.
Snack.
Fries.
Fries.
Oh yeah.
Alright, rice and peas is different. You can't.
Yeah, but jollof you could.
So jollof.
Oh yeah, that's what she said.
Jollof rice.
Jollof is eaten by itself.
Yeah.
But
It's final stop on the Posty Food Tour. We in Brixton. You must know Brixton. Everybody hear them sing about Brixton. It's a big place where them have good food. And we're going for jollof. It's similar to rice and peas. It's probably what influenced rice and peas. The African influence in Jamaican food is undeniable. And this is one of the main influence that created what we have and have come to love, which is rice and peas. It's similar, but it can be had by itself. Rice and peas is basically an additive that we add to some sort of meat, chicken. Traditional Sunday dinner would be some sort of chicken or 3 meats, 2 meats, a salad with some rice and peas. And we're now in Brixton at this African place, and we're going to check out jollof. I'm excited to try it. It's the first time I'm having it. I have to big up Post every time, everywhere. This is his food tour that he carried us on, and the man have just been all out for us. So heart of love, but a time to try some of the African cuisine in Brixton. London will take you and spit you out. You gotta be careful. Yo man, you do the Anthony Joshua stepping up, man. You left Uncle Ben and rock on dipping up. Whoa! Yo, the street over there.
I'm going about.
Jollof. I'm looking forward to this. Some junk. Bernie reach. Bernie still a drink to blood. Bossy say, yo, we have to try this. Love.
Yo, it's crazy right now. We're here in the dunya. You understand?
Let's have a vibe.
Matthew, please sit down.
Respect, brother.
I want to taste this African rice so quick and fast.
Surely got it. Is it?
Kelewele.
Kelewele.
Bro, you don't know about the Kelewele.
Here's all your location. Can you use that? Toothpick.
Toothpick, thank you.
It's not that bad. It's nice. It's spicy, but it's sweet. And then the pot, and the peanut take off the heat. It's different. But it's a nice different. Wow. That look like an escovitch. Why that look like a tilapia though? Really nice flavor on that fish. That fish is seasoned. Very nice. The skin, the outer layer, and then you have the dips that you can put on it. But that fish is seasoned. And you eat with your hand.
All right.
This part, you know we love turkey neck. Can they put it in this? That with this. Try that.
Is that pork? Turkey. What they call it? Something else.
I don't know what they call it. I call it flavor. We love turkey neck like this. Right. No, and it's still free and juicy. It's not dry like you expect turkey to be dry. It's still juicy and fun. Yo, so that's just right now. What kind of pepper they use? Never start germ planting. Never start germ planting. I'll tell you the big Man said Telewele, so we find out when I'm Telewele. Dip.
And the black one.
Yo.
You go red and you go black. Go red and go black. Not too much. Yeah, good. Red. Get out. Go red and go black.
Yo, try this. Try that.
So right now we're in Brixton. You heard of Brixton?
Come on. Every Jamaican sing about Brixton.
What, bigger table? Alright, the yam is hitting. You need salt on that though. Yeah, shit's spicy. It's the real deal.
This one.
I'm gonna take 4 inches off. You understand? 4 inches, may I take that? Come back, see me next month.
You remember everything?
I remember everything. Yeah. Oh, okay.
I never know planting for the spicy, but the spice and the sweet, the heat, the sweet, bun, and then there's the fish. fish is seasoned perfectly. It's grilled, and the onions are over it. There are 2 peppers, there are sauces that go with it, and fried yam. And then there's the turkey. The turkey is fried. The turkey is juicy. It's not fried dry. It's not fried until it's crisp. It has a little crisp, but it has a sauce, a pepper sauce as well. Most of the food here has some spice to go with it. It's not spicy, just coming out of the kitchen, but it has real nice heat when you dip it into the sauces. And what I experienced here in Brixton trying this, and we still have more to go.
You're not going to try it off?
So how are you going in? So how is that cooked?
That's what you go right to beans.
Alright, so that's cooked with the peas or beans. Yeah. In coconut milk too?
I'm not guaranteed.
Say no more, bro.
That was indigenous to you.
Say no more, bro. No, everything I eat to each their own. Everything is different, but everything has similar fusion. No more on the big camera. Sorry for never bring the big camera there. Respect, brother.
Yo, more of this pizza.
Different, but still nice. Have a different flavor than rice and beef. Have a nice spice, and then you have the meat as well to go with it.
Toby, what kind of food falls? Rice and beef. That's a rice and beef.
So many times today.
What kind of food pretty?
I'm not food critic.
That's flavorful.
I'm just a vibes girl.
You're fake.
I am.
That stew is amazing.
Where I go with it.
You're fake.
You want me to be fat?
I'm in love with that stew. I'm in love with that stew.
I'm glad we have music culture.
Something like a tomato paste. Rice itself, similar to rice and peas, but not rice. Rice and peas, but no coconut milk.
When I wait for a plate. The love people.
But, love.
Right?
I'm PhD.
Can I get a plate? I think that's what you want. You're eat. We're not Nigerian. Chill out. Chill out. You're meant to be here.
A tomato.
No. I want you to relax. No.
Got rice in there and mix it.
It's illusion. Have you actually tried it?
Not bad.
It's different, but it's flavored and spiced.
Definitely is. Oh, you have to try to watch it. It's deep, it's deep. Yeah, but I don't want that lot. It's not a lot, it's okay. Don't want a lot now. Are you finding it? Which one? The rice. Come on. We have to try that here. That's another thing. We're gonna try that. That's awkward.
Why are you eating it with a spoon? That's what I do with my hands.
It's just more respectful, that's all.
I ain't eating it.
More respect for your hand.
Yeah, take that. Take that. Try it. No. Take it in one. Take the spoon.
Hold on, the camera.
You take that first. That first.
Oh, hold on.
Take this first.
Take, oh. Just cut it, just.
Yeah. Use your hand. And then a bit of this. But it's better when you use your hands.
I can't imagine. It's more.
That's cassava.
Yeah, that need to do with the hand. Spicy. That's spicy. Hot. That's a shot. Oh.
One time. Swallow.
Good
stuff. What's that?
Fufu and yeah. What's this though? Fish soup. The body of
light soup.
Bad. Yeah? It's what soup? Bernie. What type of soup? Light soup. It's a fish soup. Bad. It's bad. Nice and spicy and flavorful. That bad. This bad. That bad. That bad. Everything bad. This bad. That wicked. Yo. Respect for this, brother. This is a treat, bro. Respect for this, man. This bad. This bad.
I think this has been the best meal of the day.
Yeah. This win.
Thank you.
This win.
Exactly. Love it. First time. Fufu. Light
soup. Fufu and light soup.
I know. My belly full. Oh. Yeah, I'm gonna feel like my dad UK.
No.
Don't forget the flight. Show me the technique. What technique? I feel like we there. Chill out. You know, like this put out there at Jamaican restaurant. I don't do that alone. Bang.
How can I see? Where's the screen?
I won't do it. From me. No. St. Elizabeth. Okay. Want a young What's the whole one?
Auntie, who cooked this? You cook this? Who cooked this? No, who cooked it?
It is. Who cook? Everybody.
No.
You cook?
It's not here.
All right.
Well, something cooking. Whoever cooking. All out. Excellent.
We have never had a meal like this.
Yeah, man. Excellent.
Yeah. Let me show it to the boss.
No, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, that's him.
Who are the boss?
Yeah.
Him are the boss?
I'm going to shake you.
You're not pointing out people, man. Boss. Yeah.
Excellent.
Yo, yeah, man. You're the real boss. Yeah, man. Food wicked, man. Wicked, man.
You said it wrong. You.
Hot.
It looks very hot. Wait, it's very hot. You can see the steam coming out.
Man's hot. It's not man's not hot. Man's hot, bro.
His mouth is hot.
Man's hot. Man's more hot.
No,
You know what it is?
Kobe, you're trying to burn up that mouth.
try it. Don't be scared.
No, it's hot.
Blow it down.
It's hot. Just came out.
The steam.
Hot, steamy.
You know what?
What are they?
I've never flown any of these.
Bread.
Bread. Plantain and beans. Andrew.
It's hot. Blow it.
Blow it.
You know what I mean? That's all easy.
Yeah, man, the red stripe dance, come on. White man. So here in Brixton, I literally just have one of the most amazing. Clap or run up like how you had me there. I literally just had one of the most amazing food experience of my life. We had fufu, we had jollof, we had just a spread of amazing cuisine. The flavors were amazing, the meats were stewed, everything was so just amazing. The style of eating with your hands is something new, something different, something that we never did yet. And I look forward to more of these adventures because these are the foods that connect us to who we are. The African cuisine is a huge part of Jamaican culture, and for us to experience that a while ago, huge thank you to Bernie, thank you to Post. This was just an amazing, the food that we just had a while ago was something phenomenal. One of the best food experiences I've ever had in my life. Like, hands down, one of the best food experiences I've ever had in my life. It was just, words can't describe it, you just have to see it. Heart of love.